is so much fun. Come and sing with everyone. Clap your hands and sing along. Let's learn the alphabet with a song. A is for apple. A, apple. A, apple. A is for apple. B is for baby. B, baby. B, baby. B is for baby. C is for candy. D, candy. Key, candy. C is for candy. D is for dog. D, dog. D, dog. D is for dog. E is for elephant. E, elephant. E, elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fish. F, fish. F, fish. E is for fish. G is for glasses. G, glasses. G, glasses. G is for glasses. H is for hand. H, hand. H, hand. H is for hand. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. I, ice cream. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. J, jelly. J, jelly. J is for jelly. K is for keyboard. K, keyboard. K, keyboard. K is L is for ladybug. L, ladybug. L, ladybug. L is for ladybug. M is for monkey. M, monkey. M, monkey. M is for jelly. N is for needle. N, needle. N, needle. N is for needle. O is for orange. O, orange. O, orange. O is for orange. P is for pony. P, pony. P, pony. P is for pony. Q is for queen. Q, queen. Q, queen. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. R, rainbow. R, rainbow. R is for rainbow. Learning letters is so much fun. Come and sing with everyone. Clap your hands and sing along. Let's learn the alphabet with a song. S is for spider. S, spider. S, spider. S is for spider. T is for tiger. T, tiger. T, tiger. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for violet. V, violet. V, violet. V is for zebra. W is whale. W, whale. W, whale. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Y, yo-yo. Y, yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Z is for zebra. Learning letters is so much fun. Come and sing with everyone. Clap your hands and sing along. Let's learn the alphabet with a song.
Hello friends! Today we will put the letters in their places and try to learn them. So the first letter that we came across was C. C like a cat. Let's see what the next letter will be. It's F like fish. Let's see what the next letter is. It's an H like a hat. Great, let's move on. The next letter is V, like a violin. We put the letter in its place. The next letter N is like a number. Wow, we got my favorite letter L. L is like a lion. Letter G like girl. Another letter has found its place. Next letter B like boy. Another letter has found its place. Meet the letter O. O is like an orange. Next letter R. R is like in rose. What word do you know that starts with the letter S? S like the sun. We're doing great. And here we have the next letter. And this is the letter Y. Y is like a yacht. Meet the letter K. K is like kale. We've completed half the journey and learned many new letters and words. The next letter is X, like a xylophone. And now the very famous letter D. D is like a dog. We're doing great. Wow, we have the letter W like a whale. And we got the letter T. T like tiger. Great. And we have the letter M. M is like a monkey. Great job. We have 8 letters left. Letter J like juggler. Next letter Z. Z like zebra. Letter E. E like eagle. Letter P. P like pony. Next letter U. U like umbrella. First letter of alphabet A. A like apple. Letter Q. Q like queen. Great! The last letter of this lesson is I. I is like ice cream. This concludes our fun and educational lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. See you in the next video.
A, B, C, we're shaking free. H, I, J, can you see? K, L, M, make a rhyme. N, O, P, we're in time. Q, R, S, it's no jest. T, U, V, we're the best. W and X, we flex. Y and Z, it's complex. Now I've learned my ABCs. Next time, won't you groove with me? Letters dancing left and right. Join the fun and sing all night. A to Z, let's break the mold. H, I, J, we're bold. K, L, M, it's so sweet. N, O, P, feel that beat. Q, R, S, we confess. T, U, V, what a mess. W and X express. Y and Z togetherness. Now I've learned my ABCs. Next time, won't you groove with me? Letters dancing left and right. Join the fun and sing all night. A to Z, let's break the mold. H, I, J, we're bold. K, L, M, it's so sweet. N, O, P, feel that beat. Q, R, S, we confess. T, U, V, what a mess. W and X express. Y and Z togetherness. Now I've learned my ABCs. Next time, won't you groove with me? Letters dancing left and right. Join the fun and sing all night. Hey! A, B, C, we're shaking free. H, I, J, can you see? K, L, M, make a rhyme. N, O, P, we're in time. Q, R, S, It's no jest. T-U-V, we're the best. W and X we flex. Y and Z, it's complex. Now I've learned my ABCs. Next time won't you groove with me? Letters dancing left and right. Join the fun and sing all night. A to Z, let's break the mold. H-I-J, we're bold. K-L-M, it's so sweet. N-O-P, feel that beat. Q-R-S, we confess. T-U-V, what a mess. W and X express. Y and Z togetherness. Now I've learned my ABCs. Next time won't you groove with me? Letters dancing left and right. Join the fun and sing all night. Unlocking all we'll ever be. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, spin the records, come with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, rockin' school from start to end. Alphabet jam, rock the street. Knowledge groove, it's super sweet. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Okay, with the lag history. Letters staying with me.
Letters dance and numbers play. Brighter minds come out to stay. Books and songs are golden key, unlocking all we'll ever be. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, spin the records, come with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, rockin' school from start to end. Alphabet jam, rock the street, rock the street. Knowledge groove, it's super sweet, super sweet. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Discussing members play. Without our minds can help to stay. Books and songs are golden key. Unlocking all will ever be.